Hello, my name is Megan. I work at the Saskatoon Public Library on Treaty 6 territory, and today I'm going to play around and make some mazes, and I'll show you how to do that. So first, I get out my markers, and then I get out my paper. Grid paper is really good for making mazes because it has the right angles. So like a 90-degree right angle figured out for you. So then your pathways can be all the same size, same width. But if you don't have grid paper, you can draw your own with a ruler or just freehand it. And then I also are going to show you how to put it on cardboard and use magnets. But we'll do that afterwards. So I'll put it aside. Okay, I sketched out with pencil my maze so that I could figure it out before I went in with markers and made it colorful. So I'll just trace it quickly with blue. I start with my entrance and my exit. And then I make the walls and I leave a little gap to get into the maze. There we go. And now I have to add in the walls inside. So I usually, with the squares and the right angles on grid paper, you can make some letters that you know. So I usually start with a T somewhere. So I put the T on this one right there. Do you see it? A letter T there. There you go. It's kind of got one long arm, but that's okay. And then I put in a wonky S shape. S. And then maybe an L. Or a C. And then some straight walls. And another one here. Maybe one here. All right. That looks pretty confusing. Okay, now I will also copy it onto a piece of cardboard. It's really thin cardboard. It's like cereal box cardboard, my mini wheats. I've been raiding a lot of recycling bins for cardboard lately because it's really good craft material. So then I decided to try something different, and I got a paper clip and I got a fridge magnet, and it turns out they stick to each other because they're magnetized. So I'm going to try and go through my maze with a paper clip using this magnet on the other side. All right, come on, paper clip. There we go. Down this way, over. Oh no, going the wrong way. Takes a little practice. Ooh, there we go. Down, over, down, over, and out. Hey, hey. What else do I have around my house that's magnetic? A jingle bell. Ooh. I had also these old Monopoly pieces from the game Monopoly, but it turns out it's made of a different kind of metal and isn't magnetized. So maybe someone can look that up for me and tell me why this works, this doesn't work, and a paperclip does. You can put your maze on other places around your house. You could tape it out on your floor, make a really big maze. You could make smaller passages and make it really complicated. I hope you have fun. Give it a try. Yeah, you could decorate it. Put in some creatures in your passages. I don't know. Think about it, sketch some out, draw it, and have fun.